Odumodu give me money make I win person. Hey. I know they carry kede with
no like shop. That take it different. So that is something, guys, for this popular song, Afrobeat song by Odumodublvck, trending. Pity this boy. So now let's get back. Remember, my name is Teoluckzboom. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below. Like this video. Click on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my video. So let's dive right into the video. Now, the first step in this dance challenge is Odumodu giving money make a good person. That is the first step. So if you know the song, you just have to vibe along. You have to sing with me, vibe with me. So it's not like you're using your leg to push yourself back. So it's money. Odumodu give me money make a wound person. Money wound person. So it's Odumodu give me money make a wound person. What's that doing, guys? So that's the first step. Odumodu give me money make a wound person. Yes. So that's what you're doing, guys. Remember, you are vibing along with the song. That's this kind of dance. So you are vibing along with the song. So it's Odumodu give me money make a wound person. And the pen there.
What is she doing?
This one is, I know they carry Kele when they like shopping. I know they carry Kele. I know they carry Kele when they like shopping. So I'm doing, guys. So it's this scissors level. What you are doing, guys. So it's, I know they carry Kele when they like shopping. So I'm like, I know they carry Kele when they like shopping. So it's from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Count to my doorstep. 5, 6, 7. Odumodu give me money make I won't person. Let's see. I know they carry Kele when no like shopping. I think, guys. So something like that. Remember, if you know the song, just pick. If you know you can pick, guys. Wait till you go to vibe with it, because your step is following the lyrics of the song. So it's, the first step, as I told you guys, is this step pushing you backwards. You person. Only give money make a one person. Give me money make a one person. First step. And the second step is, I know they like Kele when no like shopping. They like Kele when no like shopping. That's the second step. So after doing that, the next thing to do is 1, Gucci, Fendi, Versace. She go do sporty. I think, guys. That's the third step. So that's just on the start. So I can see how you get to the third step. So it's 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Odumodu give me money make I win person. I know they like to do when no like shopping. Gucci. They do sport. I think, guys. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So remember, you are doing this challenge with the song lyrics. So it's probably quite necessary to learn the lyrics of this song. It's not that hard, although. Just quite necessary joining the lyrics. Anyhow you can say it, but just sing. Just sing along. Like 6 for instance now. The first step is Odumodu give me money make a one person. That's the first step. So it's money, wood, person. Like you're setting your face. The next one is I know they carry Kele when no like shopping. Listen, guys. So it's Kele when no like shopping. That's the concept. The next one is Gucci, Fendi, Versace. Then go like sporty. So you are vibing with the sport. 5. Have I finished vibing? Let's do this. So 1, 2, 3. Count it 3 steps. So it's 1, 2, 3. Oh, bo. So it's counting 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. then Odumodublvck, bo, bo. Just like the first step, this leg still pushing you backwards. But this one, I'm doing on the keyboard, which is Odumodublvck, bo. I don't know the lyrics of the this extent, guys. So I'm just still learning like you guys. So just as I say, you can just pick any part of the pick. So me, I picked the Odumodublvck. So I picked it on the keyboard of it, guys. Let's do this just from the start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Got to my nose left. Yeah. I'm crashing the vents in the house left. Yeah. Odumodublvck give me money, make a one person. Listen. I know they carry today when not like shopping. Go spend. You eat this, you like sporting. Odumodublvck, go. That's dance, guys. That's full dance. For the Odumodublvck boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross, hit, go. Remember, that last step you are vibing back. You're vibing back, guys. You are going back slowly. Odumodublvck, go. So that's it, guys. Now, let's dive back to the go from the beginning once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come to my doorstep. Hey. I know you like it, you my doorstep. Jerry. Odumodublvck give me money, make a one person. I know they like it, you know, they like shopping. She be like me, she be like me. Hope you guys can do this. Is it crisscross leg work? Nope. Not crisscross leg work. I call it the slimy leg work. Or the slopey leg work. She's slopey. So it's that's how I do it. You can't kill you when you like shopping. That's the killing part. Because you can also do the slimy or the slopey leg work. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section down below. So that I can be able to teach you some in a separate dance tutorial. Oh my god. It's hot over here. It's hot. So let's go. First, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Click the subscribe button for me, please. Like this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Please, I'm doing a lot for you guys. So give me a thumbs up, guys. And share this video to any of your friends that they feel you should do this dance. Or content creators in TikTok on this dance tutorial. I know. I'll just share to you guys. And click on the notification bell for you to be notified anytime I post a video. So let's dive right into the challenge. Now, let's do it from the beginning once more. I like to do it from the starting once more so you guys can follow up for those that are taking it slow to understand. 5, 6, 7. Let's just dive right into the video. 5, 6, 7. So go. Odumodublvck give me money, make a one person. Make a one person. I know they can't play when you like shopping. You like you go like sporting. Go. See, for that I'm not raising my shoulder up, down. Go. So it's fun, guys. Doing this tutorial is fun, guys. Dancing is fun, it's sweet, guys. So remember, don't forget to like this video. So this is the end of the tutorial. Comment down below if it's easy, comment down below if it's hard. Comment down below. I'll make it easy for you guys and talk to you guys. If you have any questions, just drop in the comment section. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. Watch these over here, guys, for you to learn more dance challenges, more TikTok trend dance challenges. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.